Another example, 在书店旁边 beside the bookshop. I give you some example to show this exists. 在书店里边，里边，边 is side, 里 is in, so inside the shop, in the shop. 在书店外边，外 is outside, so outside of the bookstore. 在书店上边 上 is up, so above the bookshop. 在书店下边，下 is down, 边 is side, downside, so under the bookshop. What thing is under the bookshop or bookstore? Yeah, it could be someone buried some jewelry, let's say, under the bookshop. Then you have to dig it out. It could be, yeah, 在书店下边, right? More examples. 在书店左边 on the left side of the bookshop. 在书店右边 右 is right, so on the right side of the bookshop. 在书店前边前 is front, so in the front of the bookshop. 在书店后边后 is back, so behind the bookshop. You can find some interesting thing. Actually, in Chinese, if you try to show something exists somewhere, you just use the 在 structure. 在 then the bookshop. Then you give details like left side, right side, front, back, inside, outside, up and down, right? If you check the English, there's many different proposition, but in Chinese, actually, it's very easy, very clear. You put 在 and location and the detail, direction, okay? For example, 我在书店. It's a very easy expression. You just want to say, I'm at the bookshop. It doesn't matter exactly where. It's above or under, I'm digging the jewelry, or left side, right side, in. I can just say 我在书店. Means I'm at the bookshop. When you want to tell people more details, you can just put this direction words to make it details. Okay? I hope that's very clear for you right now. If you like this video, please subscribe. And you can find more materials and more videos in the information box below. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. 再见。